triangle on the left here, but I'm not too fast. I just walk right into the road. I know that junction's there, so I knew where it was. Local knowledge. Chuck the left down there. Lastminute.com. Okay. So let's keep it IM approved. Let's do it how it should be done. It should be just on well, let's just do it properly. Let's go with that. So Ben going left. Limit point is so off gas and balances on the throttle. Back up and stop. There it goes. Right hand, the near side options. Look at too close just yet. I'm going to aim for just up on that spot sun up there. Up, second in the door. Straight on the Joseph. Look at the back, I'm going to make contact with the back of this car, not literally, because you never know, those cars went part there, I might have to pop back. But why are they there? What's going on? Second gear, third gear. So gear, that's better than it was. Right going around to the right. So a little bit of courtesy here. You see why you won't want to overtake in lanes like this, it's quite exciting. So right, steady up. Hanging on to 1.30, that's good at the moment, 5 seconds. Right on that chain, controlling it all on acceleration switch, so off to the left. And slightly to the left gear roll. Of course you've got to go fucking blasting fast, just so don't look like a light for boy, so a bit courtesy there. Pushing away out of here, they're great view up and push right hand, that's quite happy with that, is the way I go out. But dead spot on the left, and quite to that. Right. A little bit over 60 foot, something like that. So I push the right hand and stop the gas, quite happy with the gear. Traffic towards, not the new. So, plenty of forward view, now the limit point's coming up for the view. So, down here is the right hand, so off gas, there's my gear. We've got a limit point that's coming up, not a lot of view. Just roll off with the gas, move third, yeah. Just checking, rear obs, offside hazard, near side. Hope that's clear, good on that. Off, gear, gear. A little bit more mechanical in this spine. Notice I can punch out the corner, very shitty road surface, so that's probably side switch. I'm not sure what's going on, can I get over to it? Ooh, 2 Don't like the bonnet of that car sticking out there, there's another one there, and we've got a finger post. Okay, just going to sit back. This car's probably going to dilly-dally at the junction. So I'm still in a 60. So a little scan around, no speed limit change. Could I overtake that up there? I've got that sign up there. So I told you a dilly-dally, so I didn't get too close. Church! Always a great opportunity to nip out of junctions, but good thing about DCT, as you might notice there, is it'll always change down for you, no matter what mode you're in. It won't change up. Obviously, it's a manual. You might let it stall. If you forget, that's it for you. The next thing you know is when you bounce off the rebel engine first. So the view's opening up now. Fucking hell. There we go. Lots of cyclists up there. Nice and spread out. Shift positioning there. Oh. Loads of cyclists. So we're going to worry about cyclists and signs. How is this going to work? Not. So we're going to have to sit and follow here. Just pop one of them. Are they going to turn right? Can't pop in there. Just a bit of road surface. What's going to cause the bicycles to cyclists? I'll pop one in. I'll put too much on, give it a little bit of blast.